Welcome back. The Indian Navy on Monday commissioned its largest offshore patrol vessel, INS Saryu, for maritime surveillance around Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The ship in the Indian Navy's largest offshore patrol vessel and is the first in its class.
Air Marshal Roy commissioned the ship near Vasco Port Town on Monday in presence of senior naval officials.
इसके सुपरस्ट्रक्चर पर लगा दिया गया।
Just as an individual has to achieve several goals and objectives before establishing one's place in the society, so too must a newly launched vessel pass such milestones before she is considered worthy of putting to sea for the operational deployments.
The vessel is built at Goa shipyard. The 105-meter vessel is the first of the 4 new class naval offshore patrol vessels that would be commissioned by the Indian Navy over the next 1.5 years. The second ship in this class would be delivered by May this year, and the rest 2 ships within an interval of 6 months each thereafter. Surendra Madkekar for Prudent.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa has observed that the courts cannot monitor every case on the ground level on petitioner's demand. Giving the example of long pendency of cases, the court said that it's better to let the public authority to do their work assigned to them.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa has observed that the courts cannot monitor every case on the ground level on petitioner's demand. During hearing of a matter disputed under Goa Munkar Act before the Division Bench of Justice V.M. Kannade and U.V. Bakre, the petitioner pleaded to visit on the site. Justice V.M. Kannade observed that there are about 3.5 crores of cases pending before the court that puts limitation on courts doing ground probe. He also observed that there are proper channel of public authority and the courts cannot hold the functionary of public authority. Justice V.M. Kannade further said that let the public authorities perform their duties, and if there are any wrongdoing, then petitioner can approach the court. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Fatarda MLA and convener of Goikar Vijay Sardesai will meet the members of steering committee on Mopa Airport. He, along with a delegation of Goikar, will discuss feasibility of Mopa Airport in the state. The Fatarda MLA is also gearing up for the assembly session beginning from 28th of January. It is all set to target the government over this airport.
ही जी steering committee जातली, या steering committee जातकर ओ तेन्ना आमी गोंयकारांचे एक डेलिगेशन ताका सिव्हिल एव्हिएशन सेक्रेटरीक आनी एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीचे चेअरमॅनाक मेळटले, कित्याक गोंयचे जनतेचे मनान जी शंका आसा, जी डावट आसात की दोनूय एअरपोर्ट एक्झिस्ट जावंक शकचे ना, ताजी लिगल सॅंक्टिटी आनी ताजी फिजिबिलिटी मोपाची हाजे जे प्रश्न लोकांचे मनान आहात हे क्लॅरिफाय करपा खातीर आमी तांकां मेळटले.
The Fatarda MLA is preparing for the assembly session beginning from 20th January. He is preparing for various questions related to Mopa Airport.
Calling attention motion, 0 hour mention, जाता जाल्यार half hour debate, हे सगळे मागतलो. कित्याक म्हाका दिसता गोंयचे जनतेक प्रश्न पडिल्लो आहा, future of tourism economy in Goa.
Meanwhile, Fatarda Development Committee has demanded that the culprit in the Vasco rape case should be arrested by 26 January. The member of committee have threatened of Fatarda Bandh if the culprit is not nabbed.
Polisank and collector deadline dilami by 26 and 27. That day we are going to put Fatarda Bandh. That is closed. Entire Fatarda.
A reporter from Madgaon, Pratik Parab.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.